Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about OpenAI's safety measures and advisory group, US government's AI standards and NIST's role, Apple's macOS Sonoma 14.2.1 update, AI reshaping job trends, the rise of prompt engineers, Brazilian First Lady's legal action against X Twitter, Insomniac Games hack and ransom demand, Alphabet's $700 million antitrust settlement. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. OpenAI, backed by Microsoft to deploy technology only in areas deemed safe, focusing on cybersecurity and nuclear threats. Formation of an advisory group to review safety reports, forwarding them to executives and the board. Recent upheaval at OpenAI with CEO Sam Altman dismissed adds significance to safety considerations. Industry calls for caution in AI development, with a group advocating for a 6-month hiatus in powerful system development. Leaks suggest testing of GPT 4.5, raising questions about the readiness and safety of advanced AI systems. Next, we have the US Commerce Department's NIST seeks public input by February 2 for AI safety testing, responding to President Biden's executive order. Effort focused on developing industry standards for AI safety, security, and trust. Guidelines for evaluating AI development of standards and testing environments under development. Request for input covers generative AI risk management and addressing AI-generated misinformation risk. NIST working on guidelines for AI testing, including red teaming for risk assessment and management. Apple releases macOS Sonoma 14.2.1 addressing security vulnerabilities and bug fixes. Fixes a vulnerability causing users to share incorrect content when sharing screens. Improves session tracking and addresses the CVE 2023 42940 Hawkendary vulnerability, recommended for all users, emphasizing the importance of security updates. Iterative upgrade with no notable features but includes iMessage contact key verification and autofill improvements. AI reshapes job trends, with prompt engineers earning $175,000 to potentially exceeding $3 lakh annually. Role requires diverse skill sets including programming, problem solving, AI expertise, and artistic elements. Prompt engineers are in high demand, with their costs surpassing that of data scientists. Increased involvement of generative AI in apps and technology companies contributes to rising demand for AI-based roles. Emphasis on upskilling to stay relevant in the evolving AI landscape. Brazilian First Lady Janza Lula da Silva intends to sue Elon Musk-owned social media platform X, formerly Twitter, after her account was hacked. Account breach led to the posting of insult against the First Lady and President Inácio Lula da Silva, along with misogynistic slurs. Calls for social media platforms regulation and accountability for user actions. Acknowledges the need for global social media regulation monitoring actions in the US and China. Next up, we have Sony's Insomniac Games studio hacked by Raisidia ransomware gang, demanding a $2 million ransom. 1.67 terabytes of data, including Marvel's Wolverine game footage, future plans, and internal document leaked after ransom not met. Raisidia spokesperson confirms knowledge of the target and ease of hacking into Insomniac systems. Highlights the vulnerability of game developers to cyber threats following a trend of high-profile leaks in the gaming industry. At last, Alphabet, Google's parent company, agrees to pay $700 million in an antitrust settlement. Settlement addresses competition barriers for developers in Google Play App Store, allowing direct billing for in-app purchases. Lawsuit filed by US state accuses Google of abusing power in consumer access to apps on Android devices. $630 million allocated to a settlement fund for consumer benefit and $70 million for the state. Eligible consumers who made purchases on the Play Store to receive a minimum of $2, impacting app and game developers. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।